Imagine an AI tool that can not only brainstorm ideas, but also crunch numbers and even automate your daily grind. That's the power of Nano Banana AI. Let's dive into how you can harness Nano Banana AI to revolutionize your workflow, starting with its incredible content generation capabilities. First, open up the Nano Banana AI interface. You'll see a straightforward prompt area. This is where your creative journey begins. Simply type in what you want to create, whether it's a catchy social media caption, a detailed article outline, or even a creative story concept. Be specific about your needs. Hit generate and watch as Nano Banana AI crafts compelling content tailored to your prompt. You can then edit, refine, or use it as a perfect starting point. But Nano Banana AI isn't just about words. It's also a powerful ally in data analysis. Navigate to the data analysis module here. You can upload your datasets or connect to existing data sources. Once your data is loaded, Nano Banana AI can perform complex analyses, identify trends, and even generate insightful reports. Visualize your findings with dynamic charts and summaries, saving you hours of manual number crunching and revealing hidden patterns. Beyond content and data, Nano Banana AI excels at streamlining routine tasks through automation. Explore the automation features. You can build custom workflows by dragging and dropping various actions. For instance, you could set up a process to automatically categorize incoming emails, extract key information, or even schedule social media posts based on newly generated content. This frees up your valuable time, allowing you to focus on innovation, strategy, and the truly creative aspects of your work. Nano Banana AI is your gateway to greater efficiency and boundless creativity. Start exploring its potential today.